Put a bit of cheese, simple cheese, and this thing. Oh, chilies. Oh, my mouth is watery. Chilies. What's there? I fry the potatoes first in oil. Wow. I fried the potatoes first in oil, added the onion, chopped onion, carrots, fried the carrots with the onion and potatoes. Added the tomato paste and made it potato stew. Really low heat. Smells delicious. I stopped the heat. Tomato paste and basil and extra basil. This looks pretty nice. And chilies are really the secret ingredient here. Bell peppers would have been nice, but this is totally improvised. I just made it up. Let's see. It's really hot. Oh, it's such a... If you know anything about Romania, zacuscă. This tastes like zacuscă from the jar. Maybe it is actually zacuscă. Zacuscă. Potato and cheese. Okay. I need more. Didn't make a lot of it. Colors don't look right on the camera, I don't know why. It's this light. Yeah. This tastes delicious, really. And the chilies. They're really nice and soft and hot. Some of them are really hot. Thanks for watching. I just made this up. You can try it. It's delicious.